Welcome to the Tegi Electronics Control Room. Let me give you a little tour and you can see what screens you can use using our software. Wow, what an interruption. That is our stationary guard over here on the top. I'm going to clock the point. That makes sure your control room operators are awake. You can see how long it takes your control room operators to clock that point when that noise does happen. It'll keep happening until they do clock it, and if nobody clocks it in, let's say, 2 minutes, however much you set, someone can be notified and go and see what's going wrong in the control room. The stationary guard unit also can be used to log in to the control room software, so it makes logging in much easier than having to type in passwords and things like that. And you know who's here, which control room operator did log in, because they'll have their own key. Okay, well, after that nice interruption, let's take a look at what screens we have here. First one here on my left is email, which is nothing to do with our software, but I'm sure you in your control room you have something like that. Maybe chat as well. This is our main screen, which is currently going off, but I'll show you that just now. We have the maps happening at top here, so we can see where our security guards were last and know where our supervisors are on the GPS tracking. All our software, by the way. On this top section here, we've got a dashboard showing us a brief overview of what's happening on each site. We can see the progress the guards are making in their patrols, and we can see if there's any problems on the site. I see one there is red. The guard took too long between points and something that might need to be addressed. On this side over here, we've got our health, general health of the system, so we can see if any units go down. That way we know it's not the guard that's at fault, but the equipment. Right now everything's green, everything's good, so now our equipment's working properly. And our main screen over here, which is the one most control room operators would use, will come up with signals as they come in. Here's the signal that came in now that said missed point, so the guard missed a point. I would have to then contact the guard. I can see which one they missed. I can see how well they've been clocking, how long it's been taking between points, and then we can contact them and say, hey, you missed a point. Why did you miss that point? They might say it's broken, or they forgot, or and then we can type in over here what we found on the site and add that to our electronic OB book and move on to the next signal. We can also see over here all the signals. But for more information on this, see our new other videos. I will have other videos on the specialities of the different sections, so you can see it better, not from this distance. Thanks for watching.